Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Cookie Bites by Malt-O-Meal. This is a big bag of cereal. Love it or it's free, and it makes 16 bowls. Cookie flavored sweetened corn and oat cereal. I'm gonna mix this up with some oat milk. It's gonna be very oaty. So these are like little mini cookies, as you can see on the bag there, and life's just better outside the box. Malt-O-Meal cereals aren't just delicious and affordable. The resealable bag format also eliminates the added waste of an exterior box. Try one of the many varieties today and experience a Malt-O-Meal difference. So the cereal for 1 cup or 30 grams is 2 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbohydrates with 1 fiber, 11 sugar, and 1 gram protein. I'm gonna get right into this here. Tear off. Oh, this is super resealable. Like, they made sure of it. I don't know if it opens more than that. I'm just gonna. These are little mini cookies. Cool. Smells really good too. I need a spoon, so I'm gonna go grab one right quickly. And we're gonna mix up a little glass of milk, oat milk. I accidentally bought this. I usually buy cashew milk, but I wasn't looking when I purchased it last night. We'll see if that's any good either too. Maybe I'll do a review on that. So we got the cookies, and it's interesting. They're so big. Tastes like cereals and cookie at the same time. It's cool. Good texture. That's pretty cool. So it tastes a lot like other corn-based cereals. And it's got like a strong taste of that, but then it also has like that cookie flavor to it too. And mixed in the milk. They're pretty decent. So yeah, it's weird. It has like that cereal corn taste to it. Like it's pretty good, and it tastes like cookies as well. It's kind of like a weird mix between the two of them. I don't know. I like it though. Like it's pretty decent. And I like that there's low plastic, or doesn't have a box around it. It's good, better for the environment. And yeah, like I'd give that like a 7 to a 7.5. It's pretty decent cereal. Not going to change your life or anything, but it's still pretty decent. So yeah, go try this out. The Cookie Bites cereal. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.